Do you get this recent plunge? You learn this once and you avoid mega losses. Welcome. With about 1 minute to go before the open of the session for today, market's about to open in about 1 minute. I notice in the pre-market, there's a stock that is down, and it is COMMODITIES. And you can see it is down, or gonna open down about 28%, a huge gap down. Now, this is the weekly, and this is the market just opened. This is the weekly. Take a look at your RSI before today. Of course, this doesn't reflect today's price action. Yesterday was also down. Yesterday was a Monday. It was down 9%. But more importantly, for this video, take a look at where your RSI has been over the last, let's call it 4 months, since this period right here. All right. Now, take a look at the monthly. All data monthly. And now, take a look at before today's drop, where the RSI was. Now, it seems that I've been talking about this lately. There is a video right here discussing why the stock is down from a technical standpoint. And it's that video there. I'm going to link it in the description. If I forget, you can find it right there. And there's another video which I made yesterday. This video right here explains why stocks are crashing and what to look for. And you can find it also in the playlist. Excuse me, in the description of this video. By the way, as a side note, I gave a breakout alert in April of 2020 when the stock was in a more favorable chart setup. And this is why playing breakouts makes more sense, because in essence, by playing breakouts, you're going to avoid ever owning this type of a move that is coiling to the downside. And the stock was telling you in 2018, 2019, and 2020 that it was a monster moving instrument based on where the RSI was trading. This is the monthly. So we're going to update this and take a look at what it looks like now. And we can see reflecting today's action right there, big drop on the weekly. And this is not a surprise. Again, the videos that I'm going to have in the description are going to explain this. And if you take a look at the daily, even for the day, we see that it is now moving below that threshold. And I'll let you answer the question of what threshold we are talking about on this daily chart. By the way, as another side note, something to also remember is at the highs, there was a major red flag, as you can see here, with this clear failed weekly breakout. That was definitely a red flag. And then there's another red flag, which is the second red flag, which I talk about in my method, which I call the 2 wrongs method. And I'm going to have the link to that playlist in the description of this video. And we can see another red flag right here. And that combination of a failed breakout and breaking below the base formation is really something that is worth a lot of value, because it can tell you when things change for an instrument. As we see this break right here, that was a classic sell signal. And of course, we can see what has ensued over time. Do you get this recent plunge? You learn this once and you avoid mega losses. Learn it once for life, and you won't make the mistake of owning such instruments when they look like this. And so it is.